Hey everybody, welcome to the channel, and if you're here to see how I fix this expansion joint between my concrete and my asphalt driveway, then you came to the right video. Alright, let's get to it. Wait, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Okay, so this expansion joint of mine, it has opened up here recently because my driveway is a few years old. So I want to take care of this before winter time because it will cause some more damage over the winter. Now I'm going to use these two products right here. This is caulk backer rod. It's a foam, and you need to get the appropriate size for the crack that you're trying to fill. And then also I'm using this polyurethane based expansion joint sealant. This is from Sika, but you can get any brand that you so choose. I'll have some affiliate links down in the description below so you can see what I used. All right, let's get to it.
First mission is to prep the joint. I requested a work detail from the captain, aka my wife, and she sent over the squad. Oh, 2/3 of them. That squad leader is AWOL again. After the mission brief, the squad commenced the pressure washing the expansion joint. The goal here is to remove any loose debris from those two work surfaces. After the joint is dried out, I took my putty knife and cleaned up any of the loose asphalt pieces from the expansion joint. Then I brushed all that away to make sure that we have a good clean work surface to get started with. Next, took the foam backer rod and used that same putty knife to start pushing it down into the hole. Here you want to leave some room for the caulk to go down in. I left mine a good 1/4 inch. I just kind of started it and then used the putty knife to poke it down in there because the crack here in some places was less than 1/4, and then in other places closer to 3/8. I later switched to a plastic putty knife as it wasn't quite as sharp. The metal one was kind of cutting the foam, so I switched over to the plastic one to finish it up. And it's key here, like I said, to leave enough room that you have some room for the caulk to go. But this is a self-leveling caulk, so if you don't get your crack filled, it will soak up the caulk, and you'll have to go over and over it again many times and use quite a bit of caulk, so fill it the best that you can. Next step is to grab your caulk, open it up, poke the seal, and it's best to use a no-drip caulk gun. It's a little easier to work with. There's a lot of caulk guns out there that say they're no drip, but they're not. I've linked one down in the description for you guys to get. Now, when you're filling this up, you might have to go over it more than one time, depending on how well that caulk backer rod is inserted. And don't be too worried about how it looks right off, because after a minute or two, it'll start working its way down and look a lot better. This is a 16-foot opening here. I used 2 10-ounce caulk tubes. Of course, I forgot to break the seal. We just finished it up the other side of it. Now you can notice some places look kind of messy, and that's because some of the asphalt broke away, so I filled that in. Also a few little chips in the concrete. And here at the beginning I didn't put any caulk backer rods, so I had to do it again.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see what's next. I'll see you next time on What's Next DIY.